Most car manufacturers have been switching to ultra-low viscosity synthetic oils to maximize fuel efficiency. So does that mean if you put lower viscosity oil in your older car, you can get better gas mileage? So I've decided to dig into it and see if it's actually possible. So the first video I came across was made by a channel named Garage 54. They ran the same engine on two different oils, a high viscosity oil and low viscosity oil, on 1 kilogram of fuel, and the engine on low viscosity oil ended up running for 4 minutes and 20 seconds longer, which is roughly 8% longer time. So that's pretty huge. Alright, so the next video I came across was made by Motor Trend YouTube channel. They tested 480 horsepower engine on a dyno. First they ran it on low viscosity 5W20 oil. Then they put high viscosity 20w-50 oil. And get this, the engine ended up making 6 more horsepower on high viscosity oil, which is the exact opposite of what I was expecting. So which one of these oils would get better gas mileage? That's what I was really interested in. And these two videos didn't really give me the answer. So there was only one way to find out, is to test it on my own truck. Alright, so first I'm going to drive my truck with 10w-30 oil. That's already in the truck. It's been in there for 3,000 miles. I'm going to use a 50 mile an hour highway. I'm going to go north and then south. And I'm going to measure MPGs using a car scanner app. So let's go and get that done. Round 2. Messed up the first 141 pull going north. Now I have to redo it with the 10w-30 oil. Live data, combined, start. Disconnect. Now we gotta go bust the UE. disconnect. Alright, oil pressure with 10w-30. Now it's time to drain old Castrol GTX 10w-30 and replace it with Valvoline 20w-50. Now it's time to go test 20w-50 on the same road with similar weather conditions. Cruise control on. Live data. 20w-50 low pressure. Alright, so these are results on the screen. Somehow 20w-50 increased the gas mileage on the truck, which is not what I expected. Do you guys think it happened because I went from used oil to brand new oil? Or did it happen because I went from conventional oil to semi-synthetic oil? Or did it happen because the 20w-50 oil managed to improve sealing between the piston rings and the cylinder walls? I'd love to hear your feedback. And on that note, thank you guys for watching and have a good day.